Are you looking for more information about the ProNail Complex? If you are, you're on the right video because I'm here to talk to you everything there is to know about it and also share with you guys a really important alert that you must know before actually purchasing it, alright? So stay with me. But if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find the link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. However, I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So let's go, guys. The ProNail Complex is an oil that is completely natural. Let's begin with this information, all right? That for me, it's the most important one. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients. It's a blend of oils and vitamins that will restore your toenail and skin. So you know that there are many people out there who suffers from fungus on their nails. They have a bad and ugly nail with pain on their nails. And they can also affect your skin around your nails. And you don't know what to do anymore. You have been trying everything there is on earth and nothing's working. But now I bought for you guys an alternative, alright? Which is the ProNail Complex. So as it is completely natural, you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions, alright? And the blend of oils and vitamins will restore your whole nails, your skin, all right? It will give you a beautiful nail. You don't need to worry about showing up your nails, your feet. You can use flip-flops again, guys, and sandals showing your nails and skin because it will be restored. So to use it, it's super simple. After taking a shower and cleaning very well your toes, and your feet, you will just use the oil because it's like an oil and you will pass for all over the nails and your skin, right? Your skin will absorb it, so you don't need to worry about getting your feet with too much oil, all right? It won't be like that. And then you put some socks, because the socks will bring like a warm environment to the fungus that will kill the fungus and not bring it anymore. So yes, guys, it really works, but you must be committed to it and use it every day. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. All right. So do the minimal treatment of 3 months, but you can also do the complete treatment of 6 months to have the lasting and effective results. And in addition to all of that, they offer you a money back guarantee. So you can actually test it. And if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund and they will give you 100% of your money back. And my alert for you folks is that the only place you can purchase the original ProNail Complex is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video. And that is the only place in the whole internet you can purchase the original ProNail Complex. Nowhere else, alright? So be very careful with that. And this great information I wanted to share with you about this oil. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys around.